New non-cutting move enhancements. For hole making, enable efficient and quality toolpath creation for both within and between features. The first new option is transfer using engage and retract. By selecting this, users now have more control of the toolpath between cutting levels. Instead of rapid motion, now you can see step-over motion types. This allows the user to control the feed rate and avoid unsafe rapid transitions. With Enable Chip Removal checked on, the toolpath will retract to the top offset between each machining cut level. This allows for chip evacuation, improved surface quality, and prolonged tool life. The new Between Features Relative Plane option means transfer motion between hole features within the pocket is optimized while remaining safe. This keeps clearance low where possible, but reverts to a clearance plane when necessary. Secondary transfer type allows the user to determine how an NCM should be handled if the initial transfer type cannot be safely executed. The lowest and relative rotary option are only available for cylindrical or spherical clearance boundaries. The lowest rotary reduces the clearance distance between the hole feature and the closest collision geometry. Users can set the value of the distance between them. Relative rotary determines the rigid value of the transfer motion between features in the cylindrical or spherical boundary types of the machining part.